Hello everyone. Today we're going to watch a very quick video on how to set up your gradebook. So within your course, you'll see two tabs here. One, gradebook, the second, grade setup. When you click that, you get a variety of options here. We're going to start by creating our grading categories. To do that, you click Add, name it, click Create, and there you go. Now you have your two grading categories that are in alignment with the YesPrep secondary grading policy. Now the next thing that we need to do is we need to weight each of these categories. So you do that by checking this box and then going here where it says weight, you enter the appropriate percent. So YesPrep's grading policy outlines that formative is going to be worth 75% and summative would be worth 25%. Once you have done this in one course, you have the option, you have to save it to make sure you save your changes. And then once that's done, you have the option to copy these settings to multiple courses so that when all of your official courses are created or synced over from Skyward, you'll be able to quickly copy these to all of your courses. So a few other things to be mindful of. One is the grading scale. So right here you have YesPrep's official grading scale. You want to make sure that this is set as your default. When it is set as your default, the star will be gold. Then you also have a couple of other options here that you can select. If you have like a course override column, this adds that in the gradebook, and I'll show you that in a second. You also have the option to hide grading category score columns, and then you have grade period overrides. So this is done here. That's all you have to do. So we're going to come to our gradebook. You'll see here this will be a student's overall grade. This is this column indicates their current grade within that grading cycle. Okay. So that override column, I'm going to come back to grade setup. I'm going to check the course override column, save changes, come back to gradebook, and now you see this column here, which would allow you to do an overall override. For this year, we are going to leave that unchecked. Okay. Again, save changes, and you're done. Once Skyward and Schoology are synced, the grading periods will be populated as they are established in the student information system. So then you would have the first, second, third, and fourth 9 weeks that will populate here. For now, we want you to see how to create the categories and the weights so that once everything is underway and synced up, you can make sure that you have the appropriate grading categories for all of your assignments. And that's it.